In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Klaviyo form on Shopify. First thing you need to do is to head over to klaviyo.com and make sure that you have an account. Input right here your email address and then click on sign up. If you already have an account, just proceed to click on this login. Now the next vital thing to this is to signing up on Shopify. You can proceed to accounts.shopify.com, start your free trial by adding here your email, or you can also sign up using Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you already have one, just proceed to log in. So on my case, I already have an account on both, and this is actually my Shopify editor. Now here is actually my Klaviyo dashboard. So right here, you can embed a Klaviyo form by clicking onto this forms option, and then you can just create a form that you wish to use. So I have in here this. So let's proceed to create a form by clicking onto this button. Now from in there, you can start with a blank form or choosing here a form that we already have. So you can also choose in here the form style, like it can be a full page, pop-up, layout, single step, or multi-step forms right here. So you can choose in here which one you want. Let's head over and choose in here this. So head over and click on this. Now choose in here the subscriber list. Click on this create form. Now once you have done that, this will actually open the form editor of Klaviyo. Now we need to head over and then actually embed it to Shopify. Create right here your actual form and then head over right here to your Shopify and make sure to actually exit first and then install the Klaviyo plugin. Click onto this app option and then look for the Klaviyo. Make sure to click onto this install. Then after that, install your Klaviyo on your Shopify. Click onto the integrate right here in order to integrate those two together and input right here your Shopify URL. Click onto this connect to Shopify. Now, once we have actually connected those two together, we need to head over right here again into our Shopify. And then from in there, customize our actual dashboard or website. So let's click onto this customize. Now from in there, click onto this app embeds and make sure to enable Klaviyo. Once you have enabled that, you can find in here some sections as well as some things that you can actually add right here that is associated with that. So let's click onto this add section on the template, click on apps, and as you can see here's Klaviyo, click on that, and that should be able to be added right here in their actual template. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.